Hi everybody, David Dillon here on behalf of Markzware. My colleague made a little short demonstration of QXPMarkz SE on Windows, for converting QuarkXPress to Adobe InDesign files with a click, and other options as well, for instance Quark to Affinity Publisher. Should note there's also a QXPMarkz for Macintosh, also on our website, and for more information on all of our products, cruising over to markzware.com today. There are a couple tricky things, particularly for old Q to ID users, which QXPMarkz replaced. Number one is the location where the application is installed. At this time, we do not make an alias on your desktop, like a shortcut to the application. However, we'll show you exactly where it is. Secondly, my colleague will give you a quick demonstration on how easy it is to use the new QXPMarkz, which is a standalone application. You don't even need InDesign to run the conversions. He does have InDesign on that machine, and you'll see how it actually automatically opens the Quark files right in InDesign for you. However, you must initiate the process via the QXPMarkz application itself. So, without further ado, let's jump into a very short demo. It'll be very useful for any QXPMarkz SE Windows users out there. Okay, here we're showing you where the QXPMarkz executable is actually located. From there you can make a shortcut, as it's called, or a hyperlink on your desktop. That might be easiest for a lot of you out there. Okay, there you see it. We open it up. You see it as a standalone application. You see this very simple interface. You see where it's going to create the IDML in. You can choose wherever directory you want to have that in. You can open the IDML automatically in specific applications. For instance, in this case, Adobe InDesign 2022. They drag a QuarkXPress file onto the application. And there you see InDesign automatically opening up. And voila! You opened your QuarkXPress file now in Adobe InDesign. Fully converted, all styles, text, attributes, colors, images, you name it. This was a simple test file, of course. Okay, back at QXPMarkz. We're now going to just convert a file without opening in any particular application. Very quickly it's done. You see the file saved up top in the folder that was asked. We're going to now open IDML in. Once again, just drag your Quark file on QXPMarkz and it automatically opens and fires up InDesign. And voila, there you go. Alright, great. I hope that helped you. If you're having any problems still installing or have any questions in general, please go to markzware.com under support, and there you can fill in a support form and ask any questions you have or report any problems you might be having.